Mami. Nag-umpisa na si Mami. Bakit? Yes po. Oh, okay. Let me fix your doll. Your baby. So, yun guys. Today, magbe-beach tayo. So, sana hindi umulan. Uh-oh. Hindi pa ako nakapag-almusal. Pero nagbaon ako ng kape. This is Wawa. No. That's coffee. That's hot. That's not Wawa. That's coffee. It's hot. You want your grapes? You want banana? You want it? I'll open it. Let me open it. Do you want it? Do you want it? Okay, ananas. So, here. So, ayun guys, sorry. Welcome mga kabangers and good morning. So, ngayon, weekend. So, of course, walang pasok. Bakasyon din dito. So, magbe-beach kaming pamilya. Malapit lang sa Miami. Like, 45 minutes away. So, maaga pa. So, hindi ako pa nakakain. Kaya, Skyflex. Lagi akong may dalang Skyflex. Emergency funds. Pag nagutom. Eto. So, ayun. Parang second time lang to ni Isabella makapunta sa beach. Nung napunta kami, baby pa siya. Like, as in, baby pa rin siya, but I think that's a few months old. So, ngayon, pupunta ulit kami. So, we'll see. Malapit lang yun. See you in a bit. Bye! So, ayun guys, nakahanap kami ng parking right away dito sa parking lot in front of the Miami Beach. And again, yung parking po dito is may bayad. You just have to download the app, pay app, and then minimum nila is 4 hours. So, we just have to walk a little bit para makarating tayo dun sa pinaka-beach sand niya. And maganda yung panahon niya so far, thank you, but you know, Florida, knowing Florida, hindi mo masasabi yung panahon. So ayun guys, nandito na kami sa beach, pero medyo tanghali na po kaming nakadating, kaya wala nang magandang spot, nasa may bandang likuran na kami, pero okay lang kasi wala naman kaming planong magstay ng matagal. We're just gonna have lunch here quick. Nagluto ako ng rice at saka ng hotdog para kainin namin. And I make sure as well na may dala kaming sunscreen kasi po yung init dito sa Miami, pack na pack. So, we're just planning to stay at least 2 hours para lang makapagbasa kami ng konti kasi mahaba pa naman ang summer. So, we could always have a better plan going to the beach next time. But anyway guys, thank you so much for staying with us and nakibanding kayo kahit saglit lang dito sa aming short summer beach getaway. Sana po ay makita ko ulit kayo. Moron! Bye guys!